Hi, Michael Warth here. Today I'm going to draw with Nitram charcoal. I'm actually drawing the hand, the Plaster cast hand that I have. I bought it from Blick Studio several years ago, or Blick Art Materials. I'm not really sure what they're going by these days. Okay, so one of the things I really wanted to share on this video was how I sharpen my Nitram charcoal. So they're messy, right? When you sharpen your charcoal, it's really messy. I use a 250 grit sandpaper paddle that I made out of Luan. I don't have any video of me making the paddle, but basically I just carved out a what looks like a butcher's knife, and wrapped it with some gaff tape on one end where the handle is, and I cut my sandpaper to fit the rest of it. So I think it's real easy. It's something you can do fairly easy. If you don't have any tools, you can get somebody else to cut it for you or something like that. But basically a little scroll saw you can use even to do it. I think I used a small bandsaw or maybe a jigsaw, probably a jigsaw, now that I think about it. But nonetheless, it's real easy to make. You can even take an old ping pong paddle, game paddle, and tear the rubber off of it and stick it down. Now I actually use just rolls of tape. I take gaff tape and I roll it over and put my sandpaper on that way. Yeah, on this drawing, I didn't really time it. I wasn't really concerned with timing. The biggest reason for that was I knew I only had about an hour of memory on the camera, a little bit over an hour of memory on the camera, and I thought, well, just hit record and draw. It's a lot of fun, you know. It's basically, it's practice, right? Just practice. So yeah, I didn't put a timer out on this one, but it did take about an hour to do the whole thing. I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. I think I want to show a lot of the drawing part of it. One of the things that I wanted to start with was a light drawing of where things are, you know, the proportions. And I wasn't real concerned with getting the proportions perfect. It was a matter of just getting it on the paper and getting on with it. The highlights went in after that, and I used I think it was a General brand pencil. It's a pastel pencil, basically drawn right on top of it. Nitram charcoal is really nice to use for this. It's quick, it's painterly. Yeah, and then I went back and added a little bit more darker areas and started adding some more value to it and just add a little bit of detail. All right, well, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this video, this time lapse. I will see you in the next one.